Today's math lesson is lesson 18. We are still relating decimal and fraction multiplication. I will do number 5. From their homework, the students will be required to do this problem. So it is a swimming pool at a park, and it is 9.75 meters by 7.2 meters, and they want to know the area for A. Area is length times width for a rectangle. So they're going to have to do 9.75 times 7.2. Today in class, what we did is we took these decimals and turned them into fractions. So 9.75 is 975 hundredths times 7.2, which is 72 tenths. This is in hundredths because there's two numbers after the decimal point. This is in tenths because there's one number after the decimal point. If we do top times top and bottom times bottom, well, the bottom times bottom, 100 times 10 is 1,000. And then for this, right here, we're going to have to do some traditional multiplication on the side. We're going to have to do 975 times 72. So if we do that traditional multiplication, for our top row, we get 1950. Put a 0 before we start our second row. We do the bottom row, we get 68250. Add the two rows together. When you do that, you get 70,200 thousandths. So all in class today we worked on, if your denominator is 1,000, that means in your answer you have to have three numbers after the decimal point. So then our answer would be 70.200. That would be in thousandths. And because we're doing area, it's meters squared. So the answer to 5A is 70.200 meters squared. Now for 5B it says the area of the playground is 1.5 times that of the swimming pool. So that means I'm going to have to do 70.2 times 1.5. When I'm doing this multiplication, I took these two zeros off because they're not going to matter in our multiplication. So now I do the area of the playground times, which is 1.5 times that of the swimming pool. So now I'm going to do this multiplication. And when I do that, traditionally, I get these two rows, which I need to add together. And when I add them together, I'm running out of room down here, I get 10,530. I get 105.30. So that now means that the playground is 105.30 meters squared. And the swimming pool is 70.20. Add them together, because 5B asks to find the total area of the swimming pool and the playground, so we got to add them together. So when I do that multiplication, that addition, when I do that addition, I get 175.50 meters squared, and that is my final answer for 5B.